afternoon, sir. My name is Tom, and I'm the one who's volunteer here. I've been checking in with the families affected by Typhoon Yolanda. May I ask you doing of today?
Good afternoon, Tom. I'm Kim. It's overwhelming to say that less. We lost house, we lost people we love. I'm grateful we live, but honestly, I feel like I'm just barely standing.
To hear that, kid. I can imagine the weight you're carrying right now. We're here to help you every way we can, not just with the food and shelter, but also with the emotional and spiritual support. We follow something called Tefari Tefapa. It's a Maori model well-being based on four pillars.
Four pillars, what is that? What are those for?
They represent aspect person life, physical, emotional, family, and spiritual well-being. Well, all four are cared for the person, like a strong house become more stable and ready to rebuild. Tinana. Have you eaten today, Kim? We have a meals available at the back. Rice, soup, and fruits.
I need eat a little earlier. Thank you. But to be honest, my body still feel heavy. And short day and walk, carry things and not sleeping well, it all add up.
Understandable. The body keeps stress too. We have a nurse on the site who can check on you tomorrow. If you like, and it's important to look after you, uh, especially as your start journey to recover. If Kim, if okay to ask, how you're feeling inside?
I'm trying to stay strong but for my children. But my inside, I feel lost. I see everything's got and sometimes I wondering how we're supposed to start again. It's like my heart of full of questions with no answer.
Thank you for sharing that, Kim. What you're feeling is very real and valid. There's a quiet space here where you can rest or reflect. If- And if ever you feel ready to talk more, we have counselors who are trained to listen. You're not alone in this.
I appreciate that it helped to know there are people who lost just tell me to be strong but who are willing to walk beside me and while I'm trying.
By the way, Kim, every Saturday we host our group activities here. We eat together, tell story to the other people, and sometimes we sing. It's a way to remind each other that we still connected and it's still human.
That sounds really good since Yolanda were being survived but not really connecting with anyone. Maybe joining anything like that would help to us feel normal have for a little while.
Exactly, Kim. Recovery is just about rebuilding walls. It's also about rebuilding relationship. Everyone here is a part of one bigger family, one that lift each other up.
If I'm being honest, Tom, sometimes I feel like I lost all hope, like everything we believe. It was it washed away by the storm. I'm trying to pray but have that feel distance now.
That's why the four pillar, Tao, Taha, Warayuwa, is important. It's about spiritual well-being, whether through prayer, reflection, or just finding the peace in silence. It's about reconnecting with your inner strength and sense of purpose. Tonight, we'll be holding a short prayer and candle lighting, no pressure, but if it's helped even a little, we love for you to join.
I go I I go maybe have just been surrounding by other trying to heal with help me believe again have just a little bit.
That's all it takes sometimes. One small moment of the light, and we're here to protect you and nurture that light together.
Tom, thank you. What you sharing with me today. The four filler, your patient and just your present help more than you know. It reminds me that healing is possible even after everything.
I'm honored to share your story with me, Kim. That's why the Manaki Tangata is all about caring deeply and genuinely. And through that, we are creating an Ahoratanga, a space where you feel safe and respected, supported every step way we make.
And I feel that today, for the first time since Yolanda, I feel like I have a little space to breathe and maybe have hoping again.
kasi wash out ulat kami.
Yung anak ko, napatay na. Isa.